Okay, so in this video we'll see some common operations which we can perform on tuples, like finding the length of the tuple, concatenation and repetition and iteration, how we can iterate in over a tuple. Okay, so let's start with finding the length. So we have a tuple, so using my tuple I can find the length of the tuple. It will work. And I can concatenate a tuple. Let's say new tuple. Let me put comments also. length of tuple, and here we are doing the concatenation. So my tuple equals to okay, so let me define this before doing that, so that this I have. So my tuple plus I can add like 6, 7, and then new tuple will be like that. We can concatenate and we can repeat the tuple, my tuple. Let's say I multiply it by 2. So we'll see what will be the okay. So you see 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. So it has multiplied it. It's like it has repeated the tuple. So we have repetition here. We have repetition. Okay, and then finally we'll see the iteration. So for now, for item in my tuple, print item. Now I think the for loop is much clearer for you because I have used many times. So I think that's where, that's how once you start practicing more and more, the things will start becoming clear and you will start gaining confidence. I think these are the some common use cases. So if I talk about some common use cases, so tuple is in function or method called where multiple values need to be returned. So for example, I will talk about that in a moment now. And also, yeah, so let's discuss more about tuples in the upcoming video. See you in the next videos.